If you're unable to clear history after the iOS 26 update, don't worry. Here are some easy troubleshooting steps to help resolve the issue and restore the clear history option. Fix 1. Check screen time settings. Step 1. Open Settings and tap Screen Time. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. Step 2. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. You can either turn off the toggle to disable restrictions completely or proceed with the next step. Step 3. Tap Content Restrictions Web Content. Select Unrestricted Access. Step 4. Go back to Settings Safari. The Clear History and Website Data option should now appear in blue and be clickable. Fix 2. Clear data from Advanced Settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on Safari, then scroll down and select Advanced. Step 3. Tap on Website Data to view a list of all the websites that have stored data on your device. Step 4. Scroll to the bottom and tap Remove All Website Data. Confirm your choice. Fix 3. Disable iCloud Safari Sync. Step 1. Go to Settings and tap on your Apple ID at the top. Step 2. Select iCloud. Step 3. Tap Show All under Apps using iCloud. Step 4. Find Safari in the list and toggle the switch off. Fix 4. Force quit Safari and Settings app. Step 1. Double press the home button or swipe up from the bottom of the screen on iPhone without a home button to open the app switcher. Step 2. Swipe up on the Safari and Settings app previews to close them. Step 3. Relaunch the Settings app and try clearing the history again. Fix 5. Force restart the iPhone. iPhone 8 and newer models. Quickly press the volume up button, volume down button, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 7 Plus. Press and hold both the volume down button and the power button until the Apple logo appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier models. Press and hold both the home button and the power button until the Apple logo appears. Fix 6. Update iOS. Step 1. Go to Settings General Software Update to check if a newer version is available. Step 2. If an update is available, simply tap the Update Now button to download and install the latest version. Fix 7. Check for MDM Profiles. Step 1. Open Settings General VPN and Device Management. Step 2. Check if a profile is installed. If so, it may be preventing you from clearing history. Step 3. You may need to remove the profile or ask your organization to adjust the settings. Fix 8. Reset all settings. This will not delete your personal data, but it will restore your personalized settings to their default values. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap General. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Step 3. Tap Reset and choose Reset All Settings from the menu. Enter your iPhone's passcode when prompted and follow the on-screen instructions. Fix 9. Use iOS System Recovery. If the issue persists, it may be at the iOS system level. Using a professional tool like iOS System Recovery can fix problems like Safari history issues, system lag, and anomalies, all without data loss and with ease for beginners. Step 1. Launch the program and connect your iPhone via USB. On the main interface, click on More Tools and select iOS System Recovery. Step 2. Click Start, and the program will automatically detect potential issues like the red screen of death, unresponsive screen, iTunes Error 21, iPhone Error 2009, and more. Step 3. Confirm your iPhone's model. If everything looks correct, click Repair. If not, select the correct model and then click Repair to start fixing the issue.